Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Fattah, the opener. This special name helps us understand how Allah opens doors of goodness in our lives. Al-Fattah means the opener, and it's such a wonderful name to learn about. Allah is the one who opens doors of goodness, knowledge, and blessings for all of us. Whenever we need help or feel stuck, Allah can open the way forward and make things easier for us. In our daily lives, Allah as Al-Fattah opens so many opportunities for us. When we're trying to learn something new, Allah helps open our minds to understand. When we're looking for friends, Allah opens paths to meet kind people. When we need success, Allah opens ways to achieve our goals. Allah is always there to help us solve our problems and guide us to what's best. Let me tell you about a girl named Sarah. She was about to start her first day at a new school, and she felt very nervous. Her tummy had butterflies, and she worried about making new friends. She didn't know anyone at the new school, and everything felt strange and different. Sarah remembered Allah's beautiful name, Al-Fattah, and made a special dua. She asked Allah to help her and open the way for her at her new school. And you know what happened? Allah helped Sarah feel brave, and soon she met some really nice children who became her friends. By remembering Allah as Al-Fattah, Sarah found comfort and happiness in her new school. There are many times when we can remember Allah as Al-Fattah. When you're starting your homework and it seems difficult, you can ask Allah to open your mind to understand it better. If you're feeling worried about something, remember that Allah can open the way to make things better. When you need help with anything, or when you're trying to learn something new, Allah is there as Al-Fattah to help you. Let's end with a beautiful dua. Ya Allah, you are Al-Fattah. Please open the doors of goodness for us. Remember, children, whenever you need help or feel stuck, you can always call upon Allah as Al-Fattah. Allah loves to hear from you and is always ready to open doors of goodness in your life.